Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone XS Max with a cracked screen. As well, everything still works. So we're going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final result. Hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 14 minutes and 30 seconds, and it has a brand new screen as well, a brand new water seal. And everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, carrier unlock, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help. Make sure you check us out on our website, Instagram, Facebook. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'll always be happy to help. And until next time, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys soon.